Ja 3 basketball shoes honest review. So, the Ja 3 basketball shoes is a low to the ground design that gives excellent court feel and responsiveness. The cushioning is springly yet stable, which is ideal for players who rely on explosiveness and quick cuts. The traction is a strong point. The rubber outsole grips hardwood very well, even on dusty courts. The upper is lightweight and breathable, keeping your feet comfortable during long sessions. One potential drawback is the slightly narrow fit, which may be uncomfortable for wide-footed players. The durability of the shoe is outside solid, but it may wear faster if you use it outdoors. Overall, the Ja 3 is a great option for guards and wings that looks for speed, grip, and comfort, but make sure to try them on if you have wide feet. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.